Hi, my name's Mark Heath, and in this module we'll be looking at audio file playback with N-Audio. Let's have a quick look at the things we'll be covering in this module. Well, I'm going to start off by showing that you might not actually need N-Audio to play audio files in a .NET application. And that's because although the .NET framework hasn't got very much audio support, it does have a couple of classes that let you play audio, and they might be sufficient for your needs. So I'll show you what they are. Then we'll look at the most basic possible example of audio playback with N-Audio. We'll see how you can take an audio file and start playing it. And then we'll see how you can reposition within that audio file while you're playing and how you can stop playback. And we'll look at some of the considerations you need to take into account when you're doing those things. One of the things that might be confusing if you're new to N-Audio is deciding which implementation of iWavePlayer you're going to use to playback audio. Which of the various output models is the most appropriate. So I'll be discussing what the main choices are: Wave Out and Wave Out Event, Direct Sound Out, Wasapi Out and ASIO Out. And we'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of these, as well as looking at how you can configure them. Finally, we'll look at how you can change the volume while you're playing back. Obviously, this is something that you quite often want to be able to do from within your application. But unfortunately, it's not always as simple as you might hope. And there's a variety of different ways you can go about doing it. So we'll look at some different strategies for adjusting the volume.